Mr. Guys, do you really want to know how to make the best Jamaican stew chicken? Come, let's do this together. So the first thing I'm going to do is fry the fat so we can get some oil. Guys, while the chicken skin frying, we're going to season up our chicken back. I'm going to use a spoonful of green seasoning. I'm also using some Worcestershire sauce. I don't want to say it pronounced, but you know that go. A little. Then we're going in with our Maggi all-purpose seasoning. A big old lump here. And also our Maggi chicken seasoning. I'm gonna add some paprika. Just add a little red pepper flake. So then we put only a little because we just missed the video of doing that. The green season do have in garlic and pimento, but I'm gonna add some extra garlic and pimento. So now I'm just gonna go in and just rub everything together. Everything properly. Everything coated, you know, the crevice and everything should be looking something like this. Okay, I'm just gonna set this aside and allow it to marinate for maybe like an hour or half an hour, maybe like an hour, and then we'll come back. We're going to turn it again. You can check it. Once you start to have enough oil, you can always take it off. But for me, I'm going to, whoa! Fuck. I'm going to eat it, so